thing I would like to demo here is just how Worship Extreme products work together to make worship and preparing for worship on Sunday morning easier for you. So this is our music stand software that I've been using, but I'm gonna pull up, let's see, oops, that's the wrong one. I'm gonna pull up our presenter product, which is our presentation software that works with music stand. So let me actually switch off of this one. I'm just gonna back out of here and fire up the correct account so I can show you how this works. So there we go. Okay. It's now loading up here. There it goes. So I logged in with the same credentials that I used with Music Stand. I'm now going to pull up in Presenter here. And I'm going to pull up that same set list that I had up in Music Stand. And notice that these songs are all there. The same songs are there. And this last one that we just imported, My Chains Are Gone, Amazing Grace, that we imported from Song Select, not only did it bring in the chord chart, it brought in all the lyrics and they're already formatted as slides. So this example here, if a worship leader added this song on the fly from their Music Stand last minute, it would immediately show up in Presenter here. And I can actually put them here side by side so we can see them both. So let's, for example, say I'm in Presenter, which is on the left. This is the lyrics operator. They will go to add a new songs on the fly. Let's do lyrics, and I'm going to do Good Grace here. So that song's been added. I have my lyrics. I'm putting them up on the screen. And on a Music Stand on the right, you'll notice that Good Grace has been added to every single musician's Music Stand instantly. And so I can now pull that chord chart up and see, okay, I know exactly where, we're both synced together. So we know exactly what's going on. One thing that you can also do is you can connect your devices together. So in Music Stand, I've brought up the menu on the left, and I'm just going to zoom in so you can see on the bottom, you'll see this connect to device option. And then when you bring that up, this will bring up option to connect to other computers or other devices running Music Stand. And if you make your device discoverable, other musicians can then connect to your iPad or Android tablet running Music Stand. And what that'll allow you to do is as you change pages, it will then change on everyone else's Music Stand. So I'm going to demo this by actually connecting it to Presenter, the presentation software. So I'm going to connect to my computer running Presenter. And you'll notice this little green icon on the right there updated. So I'm going to switch back to my view where you can see Music Stand on the right and Presenter on the left. And in Presenter, as I change songs, so I'm going to switch to Amazing Grace in Presenter and put up those lyrics. And you'll see in Music Stand, the song has updated to Amazing Grace right away. It's synced together. And as I move to my custom song I created in Presenter, it updated to that song, it switched to that song on everyone's Music Stand that's connected to me. So this is a great way to just keep everyone in sync and keep everyone on the same page if you'd like, using the connection there.